In this video, I'm going to show you how to add font in Adobe Fresco. So for this, we're not going to be using Adobe Fresco. You actually have to use Adobe Creative Cloud. So open up Adobe Creative Cloud, and whenever you do this, you want to click on this F button here at the top right where it says Fonts. Now from here, to add your own font, go to Uploaded Fonts over here on the left, and then you want to drag and drop your file. So I'm just going to select one font over here, which I have. I'm going to drag and drop it in here, and there we go. It's going to find it. You have to confirm this and then click on upload over here, and it's going to take a few seconds for this to actually load. It's going to start processing and everything, and whenever that's done, whenever it's actually installed it, there we go, it's going to say installed in cloud. Now over here, if you have any more, you could also click on upload and then drag and drop them in here, and then click on done here at the top right. Now in here under recently added or added, you'll be able to essentially find your fonts. Okay, so if I just go and close this and go back into fonts, I can add some more if I want to, but for now let's focus on the one we've added right now. Uploaded fonts, we have one over here. Now you could then go and remove it if you wanna. I don't want to do that right now, so what I'm going to do is now find it inside Adobe Fresco. To do this, you'll have to restart Adobe Fresco, so just close it down like this. I'm actually going to wait for this to save, and then when you close it down, you can just reopen Adobe Fresco and your font is going to be in there. So if I go in here and reopen Adobe Fresco, I'm actually just going to open the same document we had open earlier. So it's going to start loading your documents, of course, and down here we have it. I'm going to open it by double clicking, and then to actually add your custom font, we're going to have to find it. So it was over here. I'm going to click cancel. If I click on this text, of course I have to select it first. There we go. And then inside this text here, if it's going to allow me to actually use it, there we go. I'm going to change it, or I'm just going to actually remove this one, and I'm going to add new text just to show you. There we go. I'm going to click on over here. Okay, we have the text tool pulled up, and then you have to go to style text. You have to go to here where it says text, and you want to click on this, and then in here it's going to allow you to basically find your own font. Okay, so remember, our font was called something on M. I think it was Moo something. So I'm gonna have to go and find the M over here. So usually this is a bit of a hassle because you have to find it. If it's further down, you just have to scroll. So I'm going to find the M, of course, the ones starting with M. So every single one is going to be the quick brown fox, but here are the names. So as you can see, I have to find Moo in my case, which is going to be a bit down. There we go. It was this one. It was Mooglator. Okay, I can just click on this, and now I do have the custom font in here, and I've successfully added it inside Adobe Fresco. Okay, so it's that simple. Just get the font file uploaded inside Adobe Creative Cloud, and then you'll be able to find it in here once you restart your program. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.